Hi, let me ask you a question. What is the status of your futures trading account? Is it healthy or is it hurting? Let me ask you another question. Could you use more money to trade with? Maybe you could use more money because you're successful and you want to leverage your trades, trade more contracts, or perhaps you're not doing so well. Maybe you're even keeping your trading results a secret from a family member, and you would do anything to replenish your account. We have all hit rough patches when it comes to trading, and there are many reasons to desire more money to trade with. So listen closely, because this is important. This is Bill Wood from DisciplinedTradingDecisions.com, and there is a good option out there that you may want to check out. You see, I used to flip houses for a living, and one of the first lessons I learned in flipping houses was that if I don't have any of my own money in the deal, then I don't have any risk. The takeaway from that was to use OPM, other people's money. So I used to borrow the money that I needed with the home as collateral, and there was no risk because I didn't use any of my own money to buy the house. Now they have something similar for traders. How would it help you if someone allowed you to trade their money? $30,000, $50,000. We're talking about a substantial amount of money here. If you win, you split the profits. And if you lose, no risk. They take the losses. What are the possibilities? How many extra contracts could you trade? Or maybe you're a new trader and need some startup capital. Or perhaps you're like a lot of people and you've lost some money in the market and you're just trying to catch up. It would be great to have a little more leverage to speed up that process. So what could you do with an extra $50,000 to trade with? There is a company that will allow you to trade their money. And all you have to do is prove to them that you can trade profitably. And I'll show you how that's done in a minute. But if you're there, if you can pass their trading test, then why wouldn't you want more money to trade with? Especially if it's risk-free. Now, I don't know where they get their money from or if the source of money will eventually dry up, but they are offering money now, and if this is something that could help you, then I would encourage you to check it out. Simply follow the affiliate link in the upper right-hand corner, and you will be taken to this website. This is what the page looks like. You can join for free and trade a 14-day trial. There are 3 steps to getting funded with Topstep Trader. Scroll down to step 1. Begin your trading combine. Let's say that you wanted an extra $50,000 to trade with. Well, it costs $165 to try out the combine. The 14-day trial is free, but if you want to get the money, then you have to go through the combine. I think this is a great deal and very reasonable for any trader. Now, you don't want to sign up for this unless you are sure that you can meet their qualifications. They've laid them all out here for you, so you can test yourself before you take their test. Again, if nothing else, sign up for the 14-day trial. Your profit target is $3,000. Pretty reasonable. Make $3,000 before losing $2,000. And there are other rules like closing your trades by certain times and not trading during the announcements. The website explains it all. Again, the price for that is $165. The 30K combine is $150. The 50K combine is $165. The 100K combine is $325. And you can trade their money, $150,000 for $375. Now, to pass the combine, you must trade a minimum of 10 days. And if you pass the combine, they want to see if it was just a fluke. So they make you do it all over again. That's step 2. They call it the funded trader prep. So if you can pass the combine twice, then step 3, they fund you. You're allowed to take the first $5,000 you make, and then there's an 80% split thereafter. You keep 80%. That's awesome. And if you have the ability to be profitable, I think this is a great addition to whatever you're doing. If you have found this video helpful, I would appreciate it if you would use the affiliate link in the upper right-hand corner. The price is the same either way. And every couple of months, I go through the Topstep Trader Combine live where you can see all my trades. If you would like to be notified the next time I go through it, just follow this link and sign up to be on my mailing list. So if you want to increase the number of contracts you trade, or if you need some startup capital, or you're just trying to replenish your account, or if you would just like to use other people's money so that there's no risk to you and your account, follow the link in the upper right hand side, and I hope you do well in your first combine. Thanks. This is Bill Wood, and if you would like some more resources for your trading, please visit my site at www.disciplinedtradingdecisions.com.